everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but there was a lot of stuff going on. We've had a lot of stuff happen to us, or dear family, close friends and family. So yeah, it makes me sad to talk about it, so I don't want to talk about it. So we're just gonna go on with our vlog for the day. So today I just decided to pick up the camera and just do a day in the life. Right now, there's still the leftover of a snowstorm that's happening. I'm in Dallas, like the DFW area, if you guys are wondering, in Texas. And so there's still a lot of snow left over, and I'm gonna take you guys to go check it out right quick. So as you guys can see, there's still quite a bit of snow outside. It does look like it's like starting to slush up some now, so that's a good thing. So the snow is done with. It's not gonna snow anymore. But we are still having to let our faucets drip, and if you guys hear that in the background, and we still are having to boil our water right now. Most of the Metroplex, the area in DFW and surrounding counties, are in like a boil water order, so we can't drink the water coming from the faucet. Even if we filter it, we have to boil it first for, I think it's like 2 to 5 minutes, and then let it cool, and then we can use it as needed. I mean, even including brushing our teeth, taking a shower, things like that. So yeah, so our electricity never turned off, so that's such a blessing to have that. And we were able to, whoa, and we were able to host someone here at our house because their electricity wasn't working. So I'm glad we were able to help in that way. But keep praying for the rest of Texas, because not everybody's electricity is on, or not everybody has running water. A lot of people had like busted pipes and things like that. I know right now we cannot find any firewood, so if someone doesn't still have electricity, you would hope they could at least you know, put a fire in their fireplace. But some people can't even do that because we can't, and even friends and online on Facebook, we can't find firewood anywhere. So yeah, that's kind of happening right now, but we're doing good. We are blessed. Our family is doing well, so I am glad for that. But I just kind of wanted to pick up the camera today and kind of get back on track, let you guys know what's going on, what's happening. So I'm just gonna share a little bit of my day with you guys. So make sure you guys are subscribed if you are not already, and follow me on Instagram as well. Okay, so I just got off work. It is 2:34 and I just got off work, and I am so hungry, but I'm trying to see. I sent my husband, well, he's already out on the road driving, and the roads are still pretty bad. I just got a text message from our city saying that garbage and recycling is canceled again today. So the whole week it's been canceled basically, and so I'm sure they're gonna have a big pile up come next week. But it's just because the roads are really bad. My kids have been out of school the whole week as well, again because of all the power outages and things. And so even if you are online distance learning school, some children still may not have access to the internet because of power, so they just canceled the whole week for in school and online. So my girls have kind of just been at home having, like, you know, fun snow days, like when you're a kid and you're just like watching movies all day and playing video games. And so that's kind of, they've been keeping themselves busy. So they have been keeping themselves busy while I've been working. So I'm kind of excited because as soon as I get off work, I will eat something and then get ready to, I'll of course check on the girls, on the kids, and see how they're doing, if they need help with anything. Usually I'll help with homework after my job because I can't do both. My older daughter, she is self-sustainable. She can pretty much knock out her whole homework herself. but my little one, my 7-year-old, she always needs help. So normally after work I will help her with homework, but there is no homework this week, so I kind of feel like it's a snow day for me too, and I am excited to go study my Korean. And then I was thinking about it, I don't know, what do you guys think about studying 2 languages at the same time? I originally thought that that was just crazy to think like that, but I've been finding a lot of YouTubers that this is kind of like the norm for them to be able to study more than 1 language. So I thought that was pretty cool. So I would like to add Spanish onto my language list and kind of do those simultaneously, like one day Korean, one day Spanish, and then, you know, flip-flop. Spanish, I can understand an okay amount. I am not fluent by any means. And actually every sentence that I can decipher is still, there's always something wrong with it. I misunderstand a word which is like a vital part of the sentence. And so yeah, I need to work on my Spanish for sure. So I feel like it won't be as difficult as Korean because I already kind of have like a little foundation laid for Spanish. So that's my thoughts. I think I'm going to attempt to try, and if it's too much I'll pull back on the Spanish for now, and because I'm just really excited for Korean. So I'm so excited, and that's kind of what I've been doing right now. And I was debating on whether or not to even mention it because I literally only have 1 video posted, but I went ahead and started a second channel. And if you guys are interested, I'll put the link down below. It's a little different from this channel. So this channel is more like lifestyle, day in the lives, shop with me, hauls, all that good stuff, you know, anything mommy or wife related type stuff. And I've been really into like these study with me YouTube channels, and I love them. They're like very peaceful with piano music playing in the background, and it's just very aesthetic. And so I started a channel and it's called Study with Rach, and it's just me studying like my Korean. And so if I do Spanish, I'll probably put that in there too. I don't know, I just kind of wanted to do something different with this channel and just make it my own, I guess. This channel has such a wide variety of different pieces and moving parts to it that it doesn't have like a niche. And so and I'm fine with that because I like watching other channels like this. Like, I don't just want to see just hauls or just day in the lives. I like to see everything. So I totally get that. But this new channel I started is just specifically studying. So if you guys are interested, I'll put the link down below. But yeah, that's kind of what I've been doing on my spare time. Just trying to, just for fun, do that, post videos here and there for fun on that channel. But other than that, I've really been wanting to go to the Daiso store, which is like a Japanese dollar store, and I wanted to go get some more stationery supplies. I'm just really excited and really into that right now, and so I want to go get some of that. And it's closed every day. I have been calling like 5 times a day, if not more, to see if they're open, but they're not open because it's, you know, it's a snow day. So yeah, so anyways, I was so excited to go to Daiso, but they have been closed all week, and honestly they probably won't be open until Saturday, which I'm really hoping that they will be open Saturday because I'm just so excited. But of course, safety first. So I'm glad that everybody's safe at home. I mean, everything was closed here. Like, the malls were closed. Every store, like almost every store we went to. Thank God the grocery stores were open. Like our local Kroger and Tom Thumb, those were open, and the lines were packed. Yeah, I think we're all about ready for this winter storm to be over. Oh, let me show you guys my plant. My Monstera is doing really good. So if you guys don't know, this is like my replacement plant. I had to get another one because I love this plant so much, but I killed the last one, and so I'm super happy that right now this plant seems to be happy and it's doing really good. Oh, they are standing up like legs. So my husband found this icicle, I don't know where, and he said they were standing up like legs, and I'm laughing because they look like a pair of jeans. Because we were in need of supplies, we were out of coffee and all the important stuff. So as you guys can see, it's already melting, which is awesome. Like I said, there's still a lot of people without necessities and electricity even. Yeah, we do. I didn't realize they did clear the shelves. It's crazy. So I got 2 big bags of these from Tum Tum. So this is what you buy during a winter storm crisis and the first chance you get to go get food. I'm joking, we already went during the storm. So I just got some candy because I'm in desperate need of chocolate. As you can see, I was like taken away from like our baking chocolate. We've got a bunch of SpaghettiOs, some canned soups. I like to eat these for lunch. And then we were in desperate need of some more coffee. So this is my favorite coffee. I love this one. Ubon. And then creamer. If you guys saw the little clip, they totally took all the creamers. And this is my favorite one that I like, but they've been sold out even before the storm, and so I found these little ones. So these will get me by hopefully till some more trucks come into town and deliver some more food. And then we got some Fruit Loops. Okay.
Thanks. Haven't replied. I'm about to die anyway. What good is a birthright if you're dead of hunger? You can have it now. Give me some stew. Swear to me first.
Alright guys, so I am getting situated here so that I want to watch a movie, so I might end up skipping language study tonight. I'm not sure. I'm gonna probably do a little bit of studying, and then I'm going to, I saw this TikTok where I saw this TikTok where they have TikToks for everything, but this guy was like recommending psychological type movies and things like that, and I love stuff like that. So he recommended a few, and I at first you don't think there's a need for a TikTok like that, but there is a need for that because I don't know what to watch anymore sometimes, and he has like a whole list of recommendations, and like you get a review in 5 seconds. So I love watching him. So I forget his name. I'll see if I can find him and link him down below. But have you guys tried this? The mint and dark chocolate Kit Kat is so good. This is my favorite candy right now. Okay, so we're gonna I'll probably do a page in here so that way I can get my lesson continuing and going. And that journal goes with that. But I do want to work on Hangul, and I'll probably use my tablet to study that. But anyways, that is it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and study for a little bit, and then I'm going to watch a movie, and that is it for today. So hope you guys enjoyed. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss out on any future videos that I post, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.